Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows couldn't be installed error code 0x80070714, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult, but we will have to run a script and this is to reset Windows Update components. Now, why are we resetting Windows Update components? Because see, these two things, the profile and the cache folders associated with it are same for Windows updates and Windows upgrade and even changing Windows. So here's what we have to do. Copy this script. I'll share it with you in the description section of the video. Copy it. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here. Okay. And I'll tell you what it does. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock. It will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.